Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And actually, today's video, we are shooting from Czech Republic. Okay, I'm actually at the moment traveling for work and stuff like that. But as you guys know, it's a Monday. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna post about my Legion secret, obviously, guys. If you're here for the first time on my channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're coming back to watch the videos, get the updates and everything else related to my Legion secret as a case study or just maybe to get some tips and tricks, then I'm happy for you guys to see this video because I'm gonna help you with understanding a little bit of the strategy and how I personally follow it. Guys, just to let you know, in case you want to see my results, which have been documented on YouTube here for the last 2 years, you can find the playlist in the description of this video. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification because I post every single Monday about the strategy and I share with you exactly my logic behind it. Now, this is not a typical My Legion secret video. What do I mean by that? It is not something to, I'm not here to share with you the opportunity of my Legion secret and tell you what it is. I'm here to factually give you the information of how I am utilizing it and how I'm applying the knowledge and the marketing skill sets to be able to make this a success for myself. Let me try to repeat that in a clear, concise format. I use it in a holistic strategy within my affiliate marketing journey. Okay, the strategy is pretty simple. It's a two-step strategy that I follow. I use my Legion secret as a catalyst to be able to earn commissions or be able to create a fund for myself to build my affiliate marketing journey with paid advertising. Yes, I personally focus on paid advertising. I do not focus on free advertising, although I do share systems that teach you guys how to use free advertising if that's your situation. Okay, and I will link those in the description of this video as well, so you'll have the opportunity to get these done for you systems within the description of this video. But the focus here is on the strategy. Okay, so step number one is very crucial in my understanding. Now, this is not some get rich quick strategy. This is not some pyramid scheme. This is not some fancy way to earn a lot of money. Not at all. Okay, this is a realistic way of taking a traffic source, an advertising source, and applying your knowledge as a marketer, or if you don't have one, learning the skill sets. And this is what I believe solves the problem, applying the skill sets of affiliate marketing within my Legion secret to be able to get those commissions. Now, some of you might say, I'm here to get an extra 100, 200, 300, 400, $500 a month. Well, you can use just step one to actually do that, but it's going to take you time. Okay, it's not going to happen overnight. You have to apply the skill sets of affiliate marketing, mainly email marketing and copywriting, to be able to get those conversions. Now, I'm going to explain why, but this is how I use it. So I send an email every single day within my Legion secret. I'll explain to you what that is in a second. And I send it an offer either on WirexApp or ClickBank. I don't go and randomly send it to offers. I do things that work for me. If you are deciding to send it to another make money online niche offer, that's up to you to try and test and see if it works. What I personally focus on is generating sales in affiliate networks like WirexApp and ClickBank affiliate marketing. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I want you guys to understand that in order for me to use these networks, I'm getting commissions, and then I use those commissions to get for higher to build my email list for higher quality traffic, because I would not send my Legion traffic to each and every offer you have for specific reasons, and I'm going to share with you what those reasons are in a second. But first, let's go ahead and talk to you guys what my Legion secret is. So my Legion secret is basically a platform or a product that gives you 100 leads every single day. Now, these leads are email leads within the business opportunity or make money online niche. They are highly targeted for US based customers. Okay, and that is kind of how the leads are given. Now, these leads are co-registration leads. What are co-registration leads? Co-registration leads are not the best quality leads. Okay, I'm going to say this, maybe not everybody says it to you, but I'm going to say it this way so that you understand. They're not the best quality leads, but they're not the worst quality leads either. They're kind of mid-range quality. Why? Because they have people who are very much interested in make money online opportunities or business opportunities that exist or affiliate programs that exist, but they are co-registration leads, means that they've signed up to multiple email lists that have requested, and they've ticked a box that says you can receive promotional emails from my partners. Okay, because they've clicked this box, My Legion Secret can offer those leads to us. So they're getting them at like a wholesale price, which basically means that they're not the highest quality leads, which basically means that you really need to stand out of the crowd in order for you to generate a decent income with this. Okay. That being said, what a lot of people use, or how a lot of people use My Legion Secret, not everybody on YouTube says this, but I'm just telling you the factual matter, is that they spam these emails. Spamming these email leads that you get are not going to make you stand out of the crowd. In fact, they're going to do the negative effect for you, because imagine multiple people copying and pasting the same kind of leads that they're getting, or same kind of emails that they're getting to these leads. My Legion Secret also solves two problems in my perspective. One is you don't have to go out and look for those 100 leads every day, so you're saving time. Okay, that's the first problem that it's solved. The second problem that it's solving is that it's giving you space for you to apply your email marketing skill sets. If you want to test out subjects, if you want to test out copy of your email, if you want to test out call to actions, it's giving you a space where you can see what's working and not working. And it's also inculcating, I think, a very strong habit that you need to have within this space, which is writing an email every single day. Now, you can leverage tools like ChatGPT, but if you copy paste it, you're not going to get the best results. Therefore, always edit, refine, speak within your voice, and this is how you find your messaging. So, you're getting a space to send out emails every day, and there's no harm in sending out those emails every day, because maybe you'll make a mistake initially, maybe you won't, and you'll start to learn how and what is best for those leads that are coming in. Like I said, a lot of people send promotional emails to these leads. And when I say promotional emails, I mean basically spammy emails, okay, where they just copy paste and send buy this, get this, etc., and they don't get the results. Now, in order for you to understand that I'm not just randomly talking about this, I want to show you guys some proof of results of My Legion Secret with offers in Warrior Plus, for example. And I'm going to go to transactions. We're just going to go to all time so that you can see that I'm not, this is not just working now, but it's worked for the last couple of years. And I'm going to put the tracking code as MLGS. And you can see that I personally earned commissions of $7,356 in commissions with just My Legion Secret leads. Okay. And where am I sending? And you can see the sales price is already over 10,000. Okay. So this is a strategy that I'm not randomly talking. I've made over almost 500 items sold from that means sales that have come from My Legion Secret with this strategy, okay, since I have started using it, which is about 2 years. And if I look at also actively how I've been using it since September 2024 to today, you can see that I have earned $1,300 over here. So in total, it's been around 9,000, if I'm not mistaken. No, sorry, $8,600 in commissions totally just from My Legion Secret. Okay, so think about it. I just wanted to show you guys proof. Now, it doesn't mean that this proof is that's what is gonna happen to you. This is over a span of 2 years. Okay, this is over a span of me actually taking consistent action, which means I started off with getting $100 a month, then $200 a month, then $300 a month. Doesn't mean that they're gonna make $100 the first month, not at all. It doesn't guarantee you these results. You need to apply the skill sets. Okay, My Legion Secret costs you guys $60 to get started the first month, and then $30 to maintain every single month after that. Okay, so you spend $60 and then $30 every single month after that. So in order for you guys to get your commissions back, let's say you need to make at least $30 to break even, $60 the first month, and then $30 every month after that to break even. Or you can promote My Legion Secret and get $5 commissions, and you can build that recurring income even on just promoting this as your product. Okay, hopefully this is understandable. So you understood the product, you understand what the My Legion Secret can do for you, the proof behind it, and now I'm going to tell you what works and what doesn't. Okay, so one of the main reasons that I personally have got these kind of results is because, as I mentioned, my focus is not on the products. If you hear and see what I'm showing you right here, there are multiple products that I promote. Okay, it's not just one product. It's automated commission system, this partner profit, this year, super affiliate U, results with Kevin AI. I literally test offers on this strategy because it's not really about the offers that I'm promoting. This is another misconception that people have. Oh, tell me what offers convert. The offers that convert are offers that have a good sales funnel in process, that have a good conversion rate in the first place. But it doesn't really matter what offer, as long as you're able to communicate that offer to your leads in the right way. So therefore, paying attention to the subject line, paying attention to the copy in your email, and so on and so forth. The way that I look at it is that I want to be more realistic with these leads. Who are these people? These are people who are coming first and foremost, who are interested to spend a certain amount of money. And I would say, let's say if I'm promoting my Legion Secret as an offer, the the amount that they're going to spend is at least $60. So usually I try to keep that range of a product within $60. Now, not everybody agrees with me with this. This is just my way of doing it. Okay. So I try to keep that as the main target, which means more sales of a smaller amount, but still amounts to something on the larger scale. Rather, if you go for, let's say, 200, 300, $400 sale, then my Legion Secret might convert 3, 4 times a month, maybe two once a month. I don't know whether it will convert even once a month. So I need to test those things out, and it's a little bit more tricky. Why? Because here you're focusing on also impulse buys, which you're not getting on the higher ticket sales or the mid-range sales. Okay, so this is why I look at the low ticket offers. Personally, this is just my opinion. Again, I'm not saying that it's a must do strategy. It's what I think works the best for me and what has worked for best for me. So that is one thing to pay attention to. So you're looking at your subject line, you're looking at the copy of your email. The best way that I use to get the copy of the email is to take it from the sales page and make it congruent, authentic, real, and myself. What does it mean myself? All the offers that I promote with my Legion Secret are offers that I own personally. Therefore, I speak from a place of owning them, I speak from a place of authority, and I speak from a place of understanding what the product solves. So let's say automated commission system is an example. It's a product that I know has a specific structure in place to help you with training on how to get unstuck with affiliate marketing. And I don't reveal too much in my email, but I reveal the right amount so that I can get that conversion, and it entices the person to go and click on the link and let the owner of the product, let the salespeople do the sales job and get that conversion for you. But your aim as a marketer is to direct them, not using hype, not using, jargon BS and just explaining and trying to hype things up. No, there's so much of that in the space that if you're authentic and real, you're going to stand out of the crowd. That's personally what has worked for me. And just to prove it, guys, I'm going to show you this so that you see it. Let's go year to date. Okay, we're going to do it actually like this. Let me go to this sales report here. And I was struggling the last 3 months of the year, and the first 2 months or 3 months of this year. I actually struggled to get my sales back up because I made the mistake that I said, you know what, I got lazy. I got lazy. So because I got lazy, I suffered the consequences and made less sales every single month on Warrior Plus because of it. So that's why if I go to sales report right now, as you can see, if I'm in sales report right now, and if I go back to, let's say, January 2024 to May 2025 for you guys to see, there you will be able to see exactly the trajectory of how when I got lazy, what happened and what made the difference, right? So this is why I wanted to share with you guys this update, because I think it's important for you guys to understand it even from a data perspective, but also why my Legion Secret should be used for affiliate networks and not for your main offers, just because use them to build your email list. If you want to send them to your email list, send them to your email list. But I believe it still makes more sense to send it to affiliate networks and directly to sales pages here. And as I said, use those funds to be able to build your entire email list with higher quality leads. Now, if you want to know more about this strategy, as I'm explaining and we're waiting for the report to come up, I wanted to tell you that you can find the whole training, this whole strategy. I have it laid out for you guys. I have AI prompts for you and some other awesome information within the course itself that I created to share this strategy with you guys. So that can be found in the description of this video if you check. So now if I go to sales report right here, you can see that actually it's not showing me the graph. I wanted to see the graph. Let's see if I try to generate it again. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted to see. So you can see right here, guys, from, let's say, September 2024, my sales started to go down to 163. This was the lowest point, and this happened in 2 months ago, just 2 months ago, that I decided, hey, this is enough. I am reaching a low point which I shouldn't go down that low. So how do I get back up in my trajectory? guess what? I just focused last month only on these exact topics that I spoke to you about, right? Authentically writing the emails, making sure that I'm editing them, making sure that I'm having my own voice in them, not getting lazy and actually putting in the work. And what happened? Boom. I got a net profit of $273. So it bumped up $100, I believe. Yeah, about $100, $110 in the last month. Okay. And this month I'm already at 53, and I'm 100% sure that I could reach that $300 mark. That's my aim, to reach at least $300 every single month, because that is the average that I think that each account can make with Warrior Plus. Okay. So that being said, because of these leads are not the highest quality leads, I would specifically test it out with this. And this shows me also that the products that, if I create a funnel for any of these products, by the way, I know that it will convert. Why? Because of the fact that it's already converting on these leads itself. So all I need to do is take one of these offers that I have, create a funnel, simple bridge page funnel. If you guys want to know how to do that, I'll link a video above here and you can check that out. You can create a bridge page funnel that goes to the offer, and guess what? You're making sales that way as well. Okay, high quality leads. Imagine if I send higher quality leads to this exact offer, how it will convert for me. That is something to pay attention to. Okay, so I hope this is clear. I wanted to run through it because I wanted to show you my downfall as well. I wanted to show you how things, go down and up. It's not going to be always a straight line, but the key here is, if you put in the work and the effort, Mileage and Secret can become the best case study that you can ever have for yourself moving forward. And it's also a great testing ground. Okay, that's my personal opinion about it. Again, that's just my opinion. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in getting the course, you can find that link also below. Otherwise, I just hope that you take action and apply and write that email every single day. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, and thank you for watching.